We are walking on salt. These are the lick stones for animals used on the farm. So lollipops for cows and horses. You can see them in your countries because the salt mine in Kłodawa that is producing these salt blocks is exporting them for all over the world. So if you will see the blocks of this shape, or somewhere on the farm or in the forest, or like this but reddish, they will be the blocks from Poland. And as I said, the air in the mine is very healthy. It's especially healthy in the chambers with the lakes.
Thank you.
Here you go. We will be entering the first chamber with the lake on our tourist route in the moment. The chambers in the lakes is very healthy because of so-called salt steam in the air. So take a deep breath in the next chamber. If you have any allergies or any kind of asthma problems, this air will help. I am absolutely sure of that because I am a living proof. In the past I suffered from the allergic asthma, the serious, heavy allergic asthma, but about 2 months after I started working here in this mine, problems with breathing started disappearing. I was still waking up at night with the breathing problems because I'm allergic to almost everything, to be honest, but mainly dust. And I bought the salt lamp. When the salt is warm, it creates so-called minus ions, so it's deionizing the air, creating something like the air after the storm, free of the electrostatic and free of the dust particles flying all over. 3 months after I bought the lamp, I was totally cured. Now I don't have to have all those medicines, inhalers and all this stuff with me every day. In fact, I have to even smoke to compensate. To help me. Let's go to the chamber with the lake and I will tell you there.
So these are the salt lakes. They export them around the world. Oh, that is good air. That is good air.
To be honest and serious, this really helped me cure my asthma along with the lamps. It also helped many of people that I know personally, many of my friends, including my mom and my father-in-law. But what's most important, it also helps people that are in our underground health facilities. We have 2 underground health facilities, one for the adults and one for the kids. The facility for the kids is exactly 100 meters, 300 feet below this chamber. Also in the chamber with the lake, but a bigger one with the lights made of salt lamps. Today about 100 kids with lung illnesses, allergies and the asthma problems are staying down there in the spa. All they have to do is to breathe deep. By the way, we are quite delayed, ladies and gentlemen, so I've already made a decision that we won't be making a break for shopping down there in the mine. We will have only the break on the parking lot, okay? And about the lake, this is not actually water in this lake. That's a very salty liquid, 30% of salt in here. So it's like a small version of the Dead Sea. You cannot be so any more salted here and you will be floating on the water. This water is too dense to let you sink or dive in it. But please don't try and be wrong. And the lake is 9 meters deep, 27 feet to the left from the salt pillar. That's the deepest point of the lake. Plus it's salty like a Dead Sea, but the temperature of water is more like in the North Atlantic Ocean, 6 degrees Celsius, really cold. As you can see, coins are sinking in the lake, so we are using it as our wishing well. If you, for example, wish to support my retirement funds, just make a wish. You drop a coin. I'm always saying that I will come here one day in a very heavy swimming suit. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. We are going deeper again. We will reach the depth of 170